ADHERE prototype program. I'm super excited. We had our meeting today with Pi, the Portland Accelerator program, to help push the business to the next level with networking connections, manufacturing, and all this other great stuff. So meeting went phenomenally well, like super great. Everything, it just went so great. I couldn't have had a better interview with them. So excited about it. We got a little bit of connections there, so hopefully that'll pull a little bit of weight with the decision making. And it's at Autodesk, huge company, software company globally. For all design, engineering, architecture, manufacturing, you name it. These guys are powerhouses. So it's a partnership with them, which is phenomenal. Full access to workshop lab, 3D printing of all scales and types, resin printing, everything. You've got full computer systems, you've got access to a full, almost like an entertainment space where there's ping pong and arcade games and a, open tap bar and a full kitchen for cooking. I mean, it's just a great opportunity. Definitely fits with my trajectory and what I'm trying to go for as my next step as an entrepreneur, as a businessman, and also keeping in mind my health. It aligns really nicely with my health standards. It also is super family friendly, which is a phenomenal attribute and quality to have in a program, that they welcome that. So being that I have 2 young boys, I couldn't ask for more. So we'll find out in 2 weeks if we got in. If we did, it is undoubtedly an acceptance on my end. So we're definitely getting excited for it, and keep our fingers crossed for it, because it'd be a great fit. And then from there we'll start moving on to Lisbon, Portugal for that program after that. So we'll give you guys an update later. Not very often you see me in a tie. It's a nice tie. Nice time. But today was a in-person interview day, so we're going to hear you. I'll be later, guys.